So here we are in Nashville. It's the Prevost Proud Rally. I think there's about 85 coaches here, and you can see the white tent on the left. They're having a meeting in there currently for all of the first timers, which I believe there are 19 new first timer couples. So it's very exciting. A lot of great people here. At most of the rallies, you'll see our Marathon Coach mobile service van to help any marathon owners out with any problems they might be having. So we have Colin here with us this week. It's always a great help. So this is Coach 1332, one of the coaches we have here at the Nashville, Tennessee rally. I know that we have shown this coach before. It's absolutely beautiful. It has these ice blue details with the soft creams. It's a very elegant coach, still up for sale. Just reach out to us. We'd be more than happy to give you some more information. We're just going to take a quick pass through here so you can see what we have on display. We do coaches open every afternoon, and we usually have an event every evening. Slow this down a little bit so you get a good look. You can see people outside milling about. We had a bit of rain this morning, but it's turned out to be such a pleasant day. So if you're watching this and you're a Prevost owner, to become part of the Prevost Prouds is a lot of fun. They do a lot of rallies twice a year and pick wonderful locations. So give that some thought. You can look them up online to make contact.